Students, let's discuss about different types of operating system. When the concept of operating system evolved or it came into picture, there was a system that they come up with that is called as a batch process, where there were multiple processes which were used to execute or to carry out a simple task. After that, there came a time sharing or multitasking concept where multiple tasks could be performed at the same time or multiple processes would be invoked at the same time without causing much haphazard or hazard. Multiprocessing is the next concept over multitasking, where multiple processes could be used and multiple process tasks would be compiled and executed at the same time. Real time is an again evolution over the previous types of operating system, where this kind of operating system supports instant operations, real time operations, and is utilized where there is time critical necessities like the satellite launches, the rocket launches, military applications. These could be easily effective only if it is supported by real time systems. Distributed system, where the systems are using information or resources which are distributed across different processors. Network operating system, the operating systems are using services available at a distant place in the network. Then is the concept of mobile OS, which this kind of operating system is used in our mobile phones, which supports our smartphones. Operations like the Android OS is an example of mobile OS. Batch OS, some computer processes are very lengthy and time consuming. To speed up the same process, a job with similar type of needs are batched together and run as a group. This was the first type of the operating system which came into picture. The use of a batch OS never directly interacts with the computer. Here, every user prepares his or her job on a offline drive or device like a punch card and submit it to the computer operator. After that, the computer operator will put it into the system and do the necessary job. So it is a time consuming process. Multitasking or time sharing operating system enables people located at different terminals to use a single computer at the same time. The processor time is shared among multiple users, and that is why the concept is about time sharing. Real-time OS, it includes time interval to process and respond to inputs where the responses very small. Examples, military software systems, space software systems. These use real-time operations or real-time OS. Distributed systems use many processors located in different machines to provide fast computation to users. Cloud system is an example of distributed OS. A user can access different applications present at the cloud, which helps him to utilize his resource space and just to invoke the cloud through his machine or through a small process, and he need not get his resources affected. This is an example of distributed OS. Network operating system runs on a server. It provides a capability to serve to manage user groups, security application, and other networking functions. So a network operating system lets me handle the entire network. Or for example, the network OS at my server enables me to handle the client requests present in my LAN. Mobile OS are those OS which are designed specially to power smartphones, tablets, and wearable devices. These are the most commonly used systems these days. Android and iOS are the latest mobile operating systems utilized. This is about the different types of operating systems. I hope you have understood the concept well. Thank you.